Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious taco meat. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Make sure to break it up into small, even pieces as it cooks. Once it's fully browned, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is crucial for a less greasy and more flavorful taco filling. Now, it's time to add the flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning mix. Then, pour in about 1/4 cup of water or beef broth. This helps distribute the seasoning evenly and creates a delicious sauce. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once the seasoning and liquid are added, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let the meat cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. This simmering time allows the ground beef to absorb all those wonderful spices, making your taco meat incredibly flavorful and tender, ready for your favorite shells. Your delicious taco meat is now ready to serve. Spoon it into warm taco shells or soft tortillas. Don't forget to add your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, crisp lettuce, and fresh salsa. For an extra touch, consider a dollop of sour cream or a scoop of creamy guacamole. Enjoy your homemade tacos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.